Hey, this is a review on two items today. One of them is going to be this 90-degree angle micro USB from Ugreen. It is going to power this Amazon Fire Stick. These go with it, or came with the kit, or the Fire Stick. I also got this Ugreen adapter for hooking up a monitor to a HDMI. So we are going to make this Fire Stick work on this old computer. Okay, it's kind of dark here, but I have this monitor hooked up to it. It looks like all I need to do is supply power to this box and I am ready to go. Okay, I just got it all hooked up, ready to go, and the Fire Stick turned on and is working great. So that is I think it's a DVI adapter that goes to a computer monitor, and then it adapts it to HDMI, and it uses a micro USB cord that I got also from Ugreen, and it's actually, I couldn't use it on this one, but I'll use it on my TV. It's shorter, you can hide it really easy behind the TV, and it is gold plated for better connection. And also, this adapter has a port here for speakers or headphones. Most computer monitors don't support speakers. You have to use them or hook your speakers up to your computer. So you can hook your computer speakers up into that same adapter, and it'll work great.